Oi, I'm LilBJessup, and I'm building a track. So as you know, I've got this field here, and I've kind of cut a track already. It's not very good. So I'm gonna lay out a different layout so I can rip around the field. Now when I say build a track, I don't mean we're getting, you know, equipment out here. No, we're gonna use a lawnmower and the drag harrow, and we're gonna cut a track. Give a little sneak peek. I cut it at an inch height, the slowest the mower will go. So she's pretty low. Well, done hit the drive shaft. Everything's okay. We just turned it into a missile, I guess. A little depth trap you. Alright, let's go for a ride. This is just like a parade lap. So we've got the garden and the orchard right here. So come on, got this nice wide track. Big right-hander. Followed by a nice straightaway. Into a hairpin. It's hard to drive one-handed. Another nice straightaway. With a left sweeping turn. Gets tighter at the end. Into the chicane. Another hairpin right. Back down the straightaway. And to another chicane. A good speed check. And then a nice drifting turn into the long sweeper that you wore on initially. That clutch sucks. So last night we got absolutely dumped on with rain, and now it's a good time to break out the chain harrow and drag the track to smooth it out, bust up some of the bumps. Now this isn't really the right tool for smoothing out the stuff, but it will work. Especially since it's wet, it'll dig in a little bit. Box blade would have worked better, but I don't have one of those. Gonna do a hot lap. So I'm gonna set the first official time of the wildflower circuit. Casey here will be the timekeeper and recorder. I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1, go, and I'm gonna go from a dead stop.
3, 2, 1, go! What you think?
I think first of all, I got dirt in my ear.
118.
That's not bad. I mean, I don't know what to guide off of because that was the first time doing it.
Yeah, now you know.
But it is kind of slick, and this isn't the fastest go-kart. And it's got no grip. Also, something smells on fire. You want to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay. The internet doesn't know about this go-kart. It's an American Express. It's got a Honda 8-horse on it. It rips, live axle, and it's very hard to drive because it likes to spin out. So Casey's gonna go. It needs some work. That's why I haven't shown it yet. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, that thing cooks off the start. It's got the governor deleted, of course. But Casey knows not to float the valve, so that's good. She's going into the final chicane. We're at 59. Got chickens on the track. $1.14. Oh, beat me by 4 seconds.
1 minute.
Hmm?
1 minute.
Close. 1:14.
Aww.
Yeah, I don't know if we can. Would be moving some serious speed to do a sub 1 minute. Let me get one more try. I'm gonna do a lap on this one, since it is the faster one. Okay. But you ran a 1:14. I ran a 1:18 on the NASCAR.
3, 2, 1, go! Dang it.
That thing's a riot.
What do you think?
I think I did like 108.
106.
106. Gosh, that thing is so fast. I didn't spin it out. You're absolutely dirty. So that's the wildflower circuit. We have a track in our yard now. This is living. And now I need to do some upgrades on the NASCAR to make it somewhat competitive. The brakes aren't work great and the handle's awesome. It just has no go and no top speed. Fix that. The American Express over there, it's all go, no stop, and very slippery because the tires are bald. But you'll see more of that in an upcoming video. I've done some to it, needs more. All clean and ready to rip again. What'd you think, we were gonna leave the track all tall grass and everything? No, it's the wildflower circuit. We're planting wildflower seeds everywhere. I've just cut most of the tall grass, left a lot of the chamomile, and we're gonna spread seeds out everywhere. I call that one chicane the sunflower chicane. It's gonna be a good time. Yeah, we are going all out with the flowers. They're gonna be everywhere. Just dump. Wildflower blend. That's all the seeds for the flowers. Let the chaos gardening begin. Oh, just about out. Just in time for the rain to start too, so That should work. Last year we did this along the road and it was absolutely gorgeous. And hopefully it sticks with as many seeds as we put down. If a quarter of them go, we'll have a lot of flowers. So I've got some old tires and finding a use for them instead of just throwing them away. Put them on the track. That'd be a good little baseline right there. Beautiful. What a view. Hope you guys enjoyed the track video. The reason we call it the Wildflower Circuit is one, we're playing wildflowers, and two, it's like Mario Kart. You gotta have a circuit name. Flower Cup, Wildflower Circuit. It's gonna be awesome. Who didn't love Mario Kart? Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video. We'll get back to go-karting. Let's go inside where it's dry, Casey.